Tired of tangled cables cluttering your workspace? The Cotohim Under-Desk Cable Management Tray offers a simple solution to keep your cords neat and out of sight. Designed for both office and home use, this tray helps you create a clean, organized environment where distractions fade away. Crafted from thickened, flame-retardant Oxford cloth, this cable organizer prioritizes safety without compromising durability. It not only hides wires and power strips but also protects them from dust and potential fire hazards. What you get is a secure, orderly setup that lasts. With a generous size of 35.8 inches by 5.6 inches, this tray can hold all your power supplies, extension cords, adapters, and various cables. No more scrambling under your desk to untangle cords or worrying about tripping hazards. Your workspace instantly feels more spacious and manageable. Installation is a breeze thanks to 2 flexible mounting options. Choose between clamp-on brackets or screw mounts, depending on your desk setup. Both methods require no drilling, so you can have your cable tray up and running in minutes without damaging your furniture. The tray fits desks with thicknesses ranging from 0.4 to 2.4 inches, making it adaptable to most tables. Its thoughtful design prevents cables from hanging loosely or getting tangled, giving your workspace a polished, professional look that's easy to maintain. Inside the package, you'll find everything needed to get started: 1 cable management tray, 2 hardware brackets, 2 fiber tubes, and 12 cable ties. These accessories help you secure cables firmly, eliminating the risk of tripping or accidental unplugging. If you're looking to reclaim your desk from cable chaos, this under-desk wire organizer is worth a look. It's a practical upgrade that improves safety, tidiness, and overall comfort in your workspace. Try it when you're ready to experience a cleaner, more efficient setup. Ready to transform your cluttered desk? The Cotohim Under-Desk Cable Management Tray combines premium materials, large capacity, and easy installation to deliver a cable solution that truly works. Make your workspace safer and more inviting today.